Tonight I'm going to tell you guys 10 things I absolutely love about the movie Midnight Madness. I love the music in this film. This movie was filmed at the very end of the 70s and released in February of 1980. Music was about to take a drastic change, and this whole movie would feel completely different if it weren't for that iconic roller boogie disco music. I love Eddie Deezen. Nobody can play the ultimate nerd like Eddie Deezen, and in this film he takes it to the max as Wesley, the leader of the white team. I love how the entire premise of this movie is built around a giant citywide scavenger hunt. If you've never been involved in a scavenger hunt, you have no idea what you're missing. One Halloween, my family had a giant scavenger hunt, and one of the things we had to do was go to Pizza Hut and eat an anchovy. Blech. I love the scene at the Stargate Disco with the Thompson twins. There's a scene where the rest of the red team is trying to solve a clue when they discover Peggy and Lulu disco dancing in the middle of a giant crowd. It is amazing, and I hate this phrase, but that scene lives rent-free in my head. I love Harold's van. Harold is a lazy, rich, spoiled brat whose dad so badly wants him to do something with his life that he buys him this big expensive van to help him win the game, complete with a clue-solving computer. But my favorite part of the van is the clear observation bubble on top. I love that just about every filming location in this movie is a real-life location that you can actually visit. The Griffith Observatory, the Bonaventure Hotel. I've personally never been to LA, but if I ever go, I am definitely running the route of the Great All-Nighter. I love that Pee Wee Herman has a cameo in this movie. 5 years before Pee-wee's Big Adventure, he can be seen in this movie dressed as a cowboy trying to keep the peace between the teams that are about to have a big fight at the arcade. I love the Meat Wagon. The green team is made up of 5 members of the football team that call themselves the Meat Machine, and their vehicle is a little green Volkswagen Bug that they call the Meat Wagon. I absolutely love iconic movie vehicles, and although this definitely is not on the level of the DeLorean Time Machine or the Ghostbusters Ecto-1, I would definitely love to restore an old green Volkswagen Bug to look just like the Meat Wagon. I love how Leon the Game Master has an enormous game board of the entire city on his wall, complete with little game pieces that look like each team's vehicle that he uses to track their progress throughout the game. Making props like that is something I would definitely do and have done, as several years ago I created my own Goonies-themed scavenger hunt and made custom One-Eyed Willy treasure maps. And last but not least, I love how the green, the red, and the white teams all shove each other into the pool at the end of the movie, especially how the one girl on the red team flat out sidekicks the 2 guys from the green team. Absolutely hilarious. The entire movie is absolutely hilarious. So there it is, guys. 10 things I absolutely love about the movie Midnight Madness. If you haven't seen it, get the VHS, get the DVD, get the Blu-ray, get the 4K, even though the 4K does not exist. I'm not even sure the Blu-ray exists. Or stream it on your favorite streaming service.